SOA exam MLC, multiple choice simple question number 5. Alright, so we have 3 kinds of death, and the formula for whole life or insurance in general is the discounted money times times the TPX times mu x plus t dt, right? So we know all these different force of mortality, but we do not know this aggregate. It's TPX is not just surviving from one of the kind of death. It's the surviving from all 3 kinds of death. So this is used like some kind of aggregate force of mortality. Force of mortality it is same as Hazard function, which is the px t over xt, right? So this is just conditional function. Conditional function, on the other hand, is just probability. Since these 3 different kinds of deaths are just mutually exclusive, we can just sum them up. What's wrong with that? So when we sum up, and after we sum them up, we can calculate our TPX equal to E negative, so plus right t, so this is our TPX, and the rest is just calculation, so it's nothing. So yeah, so you need to put a B here. This is benefit. For example, like in this question, well, if you die from the airplane accident is 1 million, right? Next we just plug in and calculate. Alright, so this is common term of all 3 kinds of death, and so the death benefit and the force of mortality are different. So for the airplane crash, it's 1/2. For the second kind is other accident is 500 over 250, which is 2. The third kind is 250 over 10, which is 25. Right? And this common term is 0.06 plus this big aggregate mu, and it's just, yeah, so it's just 1 actually. So for example, so let's just say, so we can derive something like this. So e to the negative at dt is is at, right? So this is a, and this becomes 0, and 0, and minus 1, which is -1 times -1, and this becomes 1/8. Right? So plug in, we get this, and we just calculate it to be alright. This times 0.5 plus 2 plus 25. Oh, sorry. So this is after we time, so it's 16 plus, and result is